watching AkoSiRC, and for today's video, magte-taste test tayo ng different flavors ng kangkong, fried kangkong, crispy kangkong actually. So I bought all the flavors sa shop. So this is a local seller. So let's try and see kung ano ang mga nasa loob ng plastic na to. O, diba? I came prepared pala. Nako. So let's see anong unang flavor ang makukuha natin. This is kangkong barbecue. Yan. And this is from Hola Organic Chips, I think. It is organic, but I can't read the sulat. Ito. Baka meron dito sa resibo. Wala din sa resibo. Okay. That's kangkong, and this is cheese. See? That's cheese flavor. And then, parang hindi kasya sa sa table ko. And this one is chili barbecue. See? Alright. Chili barbecue. I am excited to try this one, the chili one. And another is the plain one. This is the original. Hindi na ako nakikita sa video. Hindi na ako nakikita sa video. Hindi na ako nakikita sa video. So, okay lang yan. Kasi ang lalaki nila pala. Naku. And the last one is the sour cream. This is the sour cream one. Here. Yan. Kunin natin yung water ko para... Yan. Ganyan sila dyan. Alright. And then, let's put my water here on my threads. So, okay, kita na silang lahat. Diba? Ang lalaki pala. That is the crispy kangkong. All the flavors. This is all the flavors. So, let me check muna kung anong store, anong pangalan ng store na yun. So, I'll get back to you, okay? So, we're back. So, ang name pala ang name pala ng shop is Hola Organic Chips. So, dito lang yan sa amin sa Bacolod. And, lang siya, malapit lang siya actually sa house namin, yung nagbebenta nito. So, it's like 10 to 15 minutes away from my house. So, let's start taste testing all of these flavors. Actually, naka-fasting ako. But, Sunday ngayon, I'll give myself a break. So, bigyan ko ang sarili ko ng treat naman. Kasi, I've been fasting for every day for the rest of the week. So, let's start with tasting the cheese flavor. Actually, let's do the plain one. So, let's try the plain one. So, yung yung shop nila, it claims that our kangkong chips are made with freshwater spinach, seasoned and flavored with quality ingredients. A gluten-free snack, perfect for merienda, midnight snack, travel snack, pulutan at iba pa. So this one I got is meron silang iba't ibang sizes actually. So I got this yung size na to is I think the travel pack, it's a 150 grams. So, it cost me 150 each. So, this is a 120, I say. Yes, it's 120 pesos for 150 grams. This is, they call this a travel pack. So, let's try the plain one. Let's try it first. And, okay. Let's see if na-tear ko siya. Oh! That's cool! Yan ang maganda sa mga packaging. Hindi ko na kailangan ng scissors, but dyan lang siya. Tignan natin. Kasi baka we'll need it later. Oh! Ang bango! Oh my God. Let me try it. Let's try. Nakalimutan ko pala bumili ng dipping sauce. But it's okay. Actually, It's the taste is the usual fried kangkong, crispy kangkong. Ang sarap. My God. Hmm. 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 So yummy. And very crunchy. My God. That's yummy. And maganda to sa mga ano dyan, sa mga conscious, sa mga ano nila, sa mga body nila. So this is gluten free, and this is you can eat this because it's guilt free. So ang sarap. My God, this is yummy. Plain one is yummy, and then ano kaya ang susunod natin? Barbecue. What is this one? Sour cream. Let's try cheese. Let's try cheese. Itong cheese parang nadurog-durog siya. Parang ang hirap ng pinagdaanan niya. Let's try the cheese one. Oh, sayang hindi ako hindi ako nakabili ng dipping sauce, but it's okay kasi dipping sauce has calories eh. Let's go with the safest one. Ito yung tsura niya. Oh my God, ang sarap din ito. Balance lang ang cheese and the kangkong. Kasi di ba, usually, meron, especially sa fries. I'm reminded with French fries sa ganito. Kasi sa fries minsan na-overpower yung cheese. This one is balance lang siya. Ang sarap niya, guys. Sobra. Oh my God. Hindi kayo magsisisi. I don't know lang if they do ship outside Bacolod or outside like Negros. So, you guys try to find Hola Organic Chips at Facebook. I'm not sponsored. I'm not sponsored at all. And I just want to to feature or to taste test this thing kasi ang hirap maghanap ng snack if you are counting calories. Actually, hindi ako nagka-count ng calories. I'm just cautious. Ngayon kasi, basta. So, let's try the next one, the barbecue one. Okay. Ito, intact siya. Hindi siya durug-durug. So, happy ang life niya siguro. Sorry if may mga tissue ako dyan, Teka. Okay. Grabe, ang sarap niya. May kalasa to. Anong kalasa na chips na ba to? Mali ata yung sentence ko. Anong chips na kalasa nito? Hala, may kalasang chip ito. I can't remember. May kalasa siya. Grabe. I think you can finish one pack in one sitting. Kasi nakaka-addict siya, guys. But, remember, it's guilt-free. Kasi it's gluten-free. Right? Oh my God, this one is masarap din. Pero, light lang yung barbecue flavor niya. May kalasa siyang chips eh. I just can't remember kung ano. Meron, basta meron. I'll think about it. And this one is sour cream. So they have how many flavors? 5 flavors sa kanilang shop. Okay. This is sour cream. Akala ko it's gonna taste like oily, but never. Hindi siya oily. This one is yummy. Para siyang Pringles. Guys, na sour cream. Oh my God. Taas ang kamay sa mga mahilig sa Pringles na sour cream. Me! Pwede isa pa. Last one. Wala, ang sarap. My gosh. That's a nice flavor. That's such a great flavor. That's so yummy. Para siyang Pringles. Oh my God. Napampalit na ako sa sa Pringles. That's so yummy. And hindi siya hindi siya oily. That's good. And let's clean our palette muna. Grabe, ang sarap. Oh my gosh. So now, the last, but not the least, it's the chili barbecue flavor. Let's try this one. Itong pinaka-excited akong tikman siya. Parang hindi ako marunong magsalita ngayon Parang mali-mali. Oh, pagbukas mo pa lang, you will make amoy the chili and the barbecue flavor. Hopefully, it's gonna be spicy. I love spicy stuff. Ito yung itsura niya. Paano ba? Teka, paano ba? Ito. Yan. Hindi ako sure. Hindi ako sure sa lasa niya. I don't taste the barbecue flavor. There's spice to it, but it's not spicy for me. Hindi, wala siyang For me, this is not spicy. Bakit parang wala siyang flavor for me? Meron naman siyang flavor, but how do I explain it? Para lang siyang plain, pero parang may hint lang siya of super duper slight na chili. Barbecue, I can taste barbecue, but super slim. It's like at the back of my tongue lang. Ganun lang ang feeling ko. It's weird. This is what I'm excited to taste though. I think Itong sinasabi na, never put your expectation too high. Kasi, you will get disappointed. I don't know. I just expect too much, I think, with this flavor. Na-excite lang siguro ako. That's why parang parang like yung feeling na, oh, okay. Yung parang ganun lang ba? But actually, the crunch and the packaging, yung crunch talaga grabe. Hindi talaga siya nakuha. And kudos to them kasi hindi lahat ng crispy kangkong mapapa-stay mong ganito ka-crunchy. And the packaging was so very nice. But you know, all of us have different palettes. So, dito lang ako parang na-disappoint ng like most sa lahat ng to. And it's okay. Okay pa din. I will eat them pa din. Cause, you know what? This is a good snack. And, ang favorite ko, my favorite is the sour cream. The sour cream and, the barbecue, I think. The barbecue or the cheese? I think the cheese. Ang favorite ko is the sour cream and the cheese. But, the most is the sour cream. So, sobrang sarap ng sour cream. Para siyang Pringles ng sour cream. So, oh my God, feeling ko may mga tinga. Well, that's it. That's it for my taste test for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope na hindi kayo nagutom. But if nagutom kayo, that is my goal. Napagutumin kayo. And if you want to check them out, you can find them sa Facebook. Their Facebook page is called Hola Organic Chips. I am not sponsored on any ways. I bought this with my own money. I just want to do a video and taste test every flavor they have. And you know, I always love supporting local products. So this is made locally and it's like super ano lang siya talaga, super malapit lang siya sa house ko. So, thank you guys. And their prices are very affordable if you want to check them out. So, thank you so much guys. Sa lahat na nandito, salamat sa inyo nang marami. So, I hope you guys are safe. God bless you all. Bye guys. This is AkoSiRC.